A Freecash loading screen is often caused by a connection problem, outdated app data, or a temporary service issue, rather than a problem with your account. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify the cause, fix the most common loading problems, and know when it's time to contact support. Start with the simplest check. Close Freecash completely, and reopen it instead of leaving it running in the background. Temporary app errors are often cleared with a fresh launch. Next, test your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the app loads normally on a different network. If one connection works, and the other doesn't, the issue is likely network-related rather than account-related. Now check whether you're using the latest version of Freecash. Open your device's App Store and install any available updates. Older versions can sometimes have compatibility issues after platform updates. If the app is fully updated but still won't load, restart your phone. That refreshes system processes that may be preventing the app from working correctly. After restarting, open Freecash again before launching several other apps. If you're using a VPN or network filtering service, temporarily disable it and try again. Some network configurations can interfere with app connections or security checks. Another useful step is checking whether Freecash is experiencing a temporary service issue. If many users are reporting the same problem, waiting for the platform to resolve it is often the only solution. If the app loads on another device using the same account, the issue is probably related to your original device instead of your account. If it doesn't load anywhere, the problem may require assistance from Freecash support. Before contacting support, collect useful information. Take a screenshot of the loading screen, note your device model, operating system version, app version, and explain exactly when the problem started. Also mention whether you've already tried changing networks, updating the app, and restarting your device. Providing those details reduces the amount of back and forth during troubleshooting. Avoid repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling the app unless Freecash specifically recommends it. In many cases, basic connection checks and app updates solve the issue without requiring more drastic steps. To sum it up, restart the app, test another internet connection, update Freecash, disable any VPN, and contact support with detailed information if the loading problem continues. Next, keep automatic app updates enabled so you're less likely to run into compatibility issues after future platform updates. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering tracking issues, withdrawals, and account recovery.